Hey, Sister Kate here, out in the woods, doing the things. And I wanted to talk to you about a horrifying thought that I had last night. I was scanning through reels and so on, and some sort of Patriot channel, might be, hawk over there. Some Patriot channel, Patriot something too, was doing a video on the start of World War III and the Yemeni pirate attacks on our Navy. And his reel was titled something about World War III. World War III started, etc., etc. Yeah, look at, I'm a homesteader. I got hay in my hair. And I thought, okay, yeah, that's an international incident. If they come out and try to, and did take possession of some of our naval ships, that's an act of war. And then I thought about one of the reels I saw yesterday also with the tons, millions of young men, thousands, whatever, pouring across our southern border, where a border patrol post had been abandoned because there weren't enough border patrol officers to man it. And so there was a news reporter down there, channel, I think it's called Voice of America, very anti these illegal immigrants, and he showed video of the empty border patrol crossing and the guys coming across the wall, etc., etc. And he talked about those numbers and so on. And then I thought about, if you put the two together, and we really have started World War III, then what that means to regular Americans like you and me is our menfolk, our young menfolk, the flower of their manhood, whatever you want to call them, our military age males, are going to go to war. They're going to join, they're going to get drafted, whatever, but they're going to go fight in this war. And help me stabilize it. If our soldier-aged men leave our country, and soldier-aged men are pouring into our country from nations and cultures that hate us, who is going to defend the homeland? Who is going to defend us when these extremists, these foreigners, these military-age males decide to start causing havoc behind the lines? Because that's a technique in a war, is to be behind the enemy lines and start doing things like disrupting their supply train and attacking their headquarters operations and stuff like that, or making war on their civilian populace. So this is a terrorist tactic. Who is going to save us here back in the mainland from a tyrannical government that's overtaxing us, a society that is dividing us, and then these illegal immigrants who could possibly be doing terrorist actions against us? And that was a horrifying thought to me. You guys might want to think about that. Come up with your plan, what you're going to do, what you're going to do when they come for you. All right, I'm out. Shalom. Discuss in the comments.